Hey people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita and in today's video we'll learn how to make mushroom scrambled eggs. Actually, scrambled eggs in general we make a lot, and mushroom is something that I wanted to try for a long time because I don't like its texture a lot, and I was afraid if I don't make it my kids won't eat it. So I tried making this one day and it turned out to be super tasty. A little more time than normal scrambled eggs it would take, but it's worth the time and worth the effort. Now mushrooms are good for improving vision. I mean, they are great for toning muscle, boosting immunity, and have a lot of other properties as well. And eggs are high in protein, so makes for a great snack food option. So let's dive right in and see how to make it. Mushroom scrambled egg. To make this, these are the ingredients which would be required. In a white pan, thick bottom pan, I'm adding oil, cumin seeds, allow it to splutter. Then I'm adding some onion, finely chopped. Fry it till it is translucent. Now 10 mushroom I have taken, sliced it and adding it here. Most of them say it is good to remove the black part, but there is another theory which says it is nutritious and not advised to be taken off. Cover and cook it for about 5 minutes. Do not cook it completely because when we add egg, again it will get cooked a little, and also you do not want it too soft because it would become soggy. Now I am adding chili powder, pepper powder, salt, bring in all the ingredients together and fry it for a minute. It's good to add all masala before adding eggs, because you know when you add eggs it will not get aligned well. You can see small bits and pieces or any ingredient you add in here and there along with egg. So we'll keep mixing it and cook on medium flame. Do not lower the flame completely, otherwise it will take a lot of time and you will not get that scrambled effect. You can even call this mushroom egg burji. So this mushroom scrambled egg is almost ready. We will add some coriander leaves to garnish it and to even add that health value, because coriander is great for digestion. Now we will transfer it to a bowl and serve it as a snack or breakfast along with roti. As I said, it took a little more time to cook than in general making scrambled eggs, but still tell me how you like this recipe, and if you are going to try it, please do tag me on the picture whenever you share it. So yes, there are a lot of recipes on our website like this, a lot of snack options, lot of egg variety option. There's a detailed video on how to give eggs for babies, so do check that, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.